welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike Sanders. My wife Pam is behind the camera.
Hello, as usual.
Hey, darling, thanks for doing the video today. You know, it's a great day to do some creamed spinach. That's what this video is all about. Take a look at the ingredients we have. We got a skillet that's about to get knocked over. No, we have a big box. It's 16 ounces of baby spinach. We have butter, garlic. We have milk, some cream, onion, and cream cheese. And I'm going to sneak in a splash of wine to go along with that. All right. So before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to a couple of sweet people. My son and daughter-in-law who gave me this wonderful roux. It's a spoon to make a roux. You know, look at that. Right on the bottom. Man, I think this is great, man. Thank you so much for my Christmas present. I love it. And let me turn my fire up a little bit. And we're going to start off by putting the butter in the skillet. Get that all melted down. And now we'll put in our onion and garlic. And we're going to saute this for a few minutes. Just mix that up a little bit. And when that onion starts turning translucent, maybe even a little caramelized, we'll continue on. It's going to be great. All right, we're going to add in spinach now. Didn't really need to cut this baby spinach. It's beautiful. When you put your spinach in, I just, when I put the spinach in, I like to just flip it around like this. And as the heat from the skillet gets to the spinach leaf, it just starts to flatten it out as it cooks down. So that's the reason why you can just keep adding more, you know, like this. Now you're going to spill a little bit, but hey, don't worry about it. When I get it all done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Got all that spinach in there. Got it packed down. It's cooking nicely. So we're going to add in a half a cup of regular whole milk and a quarter cup of cream. So I'm just going to add that to it. And now I got a total of 3/4 of a cup. I'm going to pour that in. And we'll add in the Philadelphia cream cheese. Like that. And we're just going to fold this in. And we'll keep on cooking it until it's nice and soft and creamy. I think I'm going to put a little salt and pepper, maybe about a half a teaspoon, and that's all. Yeah, look at that. That's looking good. Creamed spinach. Yum. I can't wait to eat it. All right. It's cooking down nicely. So I'm going to turn that fire down a little bit. And I'm going to put the lid on and we'll simmer it for a little while. And we'll let you see what it looks like. Just remember, all the ingredients to make this wonderful creamed spinach will be in the description of our video. Well, listen, Pam and I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. That's our kitchen. And we're having so much fun making these videos for you guys. We just really enjoy it. And we just want to say thank you. And if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. We really appreciate you. And I just want to say thanks again a million times from the Sanders Kitchen. God bless.